Welcome to TDSB UDL Presents How to Use Headings in Google Docs, Part 2, Customizing Headings. My name is Michael Barltrop, and you can find me on Twitter at Mr. Barltrop, or you can find me at the website whatbinder.com. As a reminder, Control-Alt-Number is how we apply headings to Google Docs. You can see that I've used a title and a subtitle here, and there's a title and a subtitle here. The use of headings makes it incredibly powerful to update all styles at once. Let's say that we want our titles to be bigger. We can increase the size of one, choose a font like Comic Sans, make it italicized if we would like, and then we can make all titles look the same by right-clicking and clicking on Update Title to Match, or by clicking on our drop-down, choosing Title, and clicking Update Title to Match. You will now see that both versions have updated. We can do the same with subtitles, of course. Let's say we want this to be bigger now. We right-click and update subtitle to match, and it has become bigger up here also. If you want to see this happen in real time, we'll try heading 1 because there's a heading here and a heading 1 here. We can select impact. We can select font size 24. We can make it bold. Impact's bold enough. We don't need to do that. And we can right-click on it and click on Update Heading 1 to Match. And just like that, all of our Heading 1s now look the same. Heading number 2, we might simply want to increase the font size of and make it bold. So once we've done that, we can right-click and go to Heading number 2, Update to Match, or use the drop-down, Update Heading number 2 to Match. And now all of our second headings have changed. For heading number 3, we might just want to make it bold and leave it at that size. Of course, we're going to right-click, Update to Match. And I will just put in here, there are 6 different headings you can use. And I'll make that heading number 3. Just very quickly. We'll update all of these. Heading number 4, number 5. Number 6, for some reason heading number 4 wasn't applying properly, so I just selected it from the drop-down. You can see that they're not all that different. But at this point, you can see that we have done some basic customization of our headings. Now when you're doing this, you're going to want to make sure that you use styles that you actually enjoy. So I'm going to change my title back to Arial. Have it large, but not too large. I don't want it italics. But maybe, for right now, I want it to be a dark magenta. And number 2 for my subheading, I think I do want it italicized. I'm going to make it smaller. And for my subheading, I'm going to make it a light magenta, but not that light. Now here, we right-click again, update title to match, update subtitle to match. And I'm not sure why this font didn't change, so I'll reselect title, and there it is. We can see that we have now changed and edited our titles. In the next video, we're going to take a look at some advanced customization options for headings, and also how headings help you when searching through your document at a later date.